to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So, today's video is going to work with e.l.f. of the Rose Gold palette in Sunset. I got this on sale at Walmart. They had a discount for $5 and it was usually like $10. Which, these are such pretty colors. So I thought for this month, around the season, for Valentine's Day, I would play with these colors. And I think I know what I'm going to work with and everything else. But, yes, this is actually my first time working with this palette. Look at that hair. Yes, so this is going to be like a simple, cute, if you're a type of person that this bare minimal of eyeshadow, because I already did my face. I didn't do really, didn't do too much on my face. Of course I did my eyebrows, of course I did my face, but if you like this kind of setup first, just let me know. But other than that, let's play with some colors. I am not using a white base for this look because it's for you guys that really don't, you know. And I decided, you know what, this would be perfect. I feel like I have a couple of eyeshadows from e.l.f. and I do. And I thought this would be perfect. So I think I know what kind of colors I'm going to work with. Like I said, bare minimal here. But for this, I thought this would be perfect for $5, for $10. I think as swatches I looked, I thought they were really pretty. So we're gonna do we're actually gonna work with this color right here. So music looking. I think this is so, as you can tell, this is really pigmented. So I'm gonna a little bit closer. Sorry about the noise. They just don't know how to be quiet in certain things. And we're just gonna go just into the crease. That's what I'm just gonna. If you hear cat scratching, it's because they're going in the bathroom. I'm just gonna. As you can see, shimmer right here, this color right here. Well, that's a pretty, I think that's a pretty color. So, we're gonna something sweet and cute. Just I think that's cute. Like I said, I'm just. Now we're gonna use this one, this highlight. I think this is more of a highlight, more of a cream color. We're gonna use that. Sorry, where are the kids? What is this? Next little highlight, just to have that blend out. I haven't done a highlighter like this in ages. Oh, my nose. I hate my nose. Okay, we're gonna do this. This. This pink right here. Since I don't think you can tell, but this right here is pink. It has a lot of like dusty, but I as a little kickback, which I don't mind. Especially with does have that rose gold pink Valentine's Day look, which I should add a little bit of pink in that look, but I don't want to. But very simple look. This is a very simple look, and I like it. It's been a while that I've done this. Okay, I had to shut my door because I'm getting tired of stopping everything. Okay, let's show some love for MUA, and I thought Make It With Smash would be the best one for this week. Her name is Ashley. I've been following her for about a while now, and I love her looks. And she does SFX makeup and also beauty makeup, but I want to show you guys what her thing she does. This is her, one of her beauties, and then her SFX ones. I thought these were so cool. She's very talented. She's beautiful, and I love her looks. I really do. It's like one of the things that I want to do, but I don't have no patience for. It's bad enough I don't have much patience for doing eyeshadow, but I do like this makeup look. She does have an Instagram, and I will put everything down below for you to follow her. But I do love her makeup. I love her personality. She's a very, my phone's want to act up now. She's a very sweet lady, and I love adding people to my family. I love, basically, if you're my follower, I would treat you like if you're my subscriber. I your adoptee, okay? I'm just saying. But I just want to do it anyway. Shoutouts. I've been doing that for subscriber shoutouts. I've just taken random people. If you just comment on there on any of my videos, I just do a shout out for you guys because it was easier to do than asking a lot of questions. But yes, and this is one of her looks. I mean, that's so cool. I mean, if you do like this look, put a like on it. If you do like this video, hit the like button. I'm trying different ways to make it easier for myself. If I do like a cut crease look, I'll probably have if I'm doing a simple look like this, I'll just do my base first. I might do that. I don't know. If you like this kind of setup, just let me know. Love that highlight though. As nice as I go, what are you doing? I do like that lipstick. I like WetnWild's products anyway, but yes. So yeah, if you do like I already said, if you like this video, and if you haven't already want to be part of my makeup addict family, where there's a lot of cats in my videos, there's a lot of talking, it's long, it's crazy most of the time, and loud noises. I can't help with the loud noise. I've been trying. At night is going to be the only time I can do looks. And I really don't want to stay up 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning and do a look. Because I'll be late for work. So I have to get to work before 8:30. And I have to wake up around 7 o'clock to make sure the twins go to school, make sure they get ready for school and everything else. And yeah, I don't want to do that. Maybe when I don't have to go to work. But yeah, just letting you guys know, it's crazy. Want to be part of my Makeup Addict family, hit the subscribe button, and also follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, because on Twitter you get a lot more updates of what's going on, because that's what I do. That's how I roll. And hit that notification bell because so you can be notified any videos. I am Mondays and Thursdays. Easier for me to make videos and edit it and make my time and everything else. And I can't stop looking at myself. I look sexy. Like if you like a simple look like I do, it's not the perfect look for you for Valentine's Day. So I love you guys. Hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye.